Welcome back, everybody. Voters this November will decide if recreational marijuana is legal. Now, that poses some new challenges for law enforcement.
Tonight, West 2 News political reporter Greg Fox is putting the candidates for Orange Osceola State Attorney on the record when it comes to their support or opposition to this measure.
The Florida Supreme Court has given the green light to a different kind of green, giving voters the chance to vote on a proposed amendment that would legalize personal use of recreational marijuana. If it passes, Florida would become the 25th state to have it. If voters approve Amendment 3, it will effectively decriminalize cannabis in Florida. I talked with the candidates for state attorney in Orange and Osceola counties to see where they stand.
There are people who are spending decades in prison for what is now legally being sold in the marketplace.
Suspended state attorney Monique Worrell is the lone Democrat in the race. She was removed from office by the governor last August, but is running to return to office. She's a yes vote on Amendment 3, pointing to studies showing minorities arrested more often for cannabis possession than whites. She also believes prosecutors and police should respect whatever voters decide.
So I believe that decriminalization isn't saying that everyone should go out and use marijuana, but it's allowing the voters to choose what the citizens should do.
You're undecided for now.
Yeah, I'm undecided for now. So
registered independent Andrew Bain is the current state attorney.
It depends on. I haven't seen the amendment, so I haven't read it to make sure that it sometimes protects things that need to be protected. For people that are using them, make sure that there's an age restriction, just like alcohol and those kind of things like that.
People 21 and over, if they have cannabis, it would not be a crime. Is that okay?
For me, we'll figure it out.
Bain says a major concern is that the mere odor of cannabis can alert officers to potentially other illegal behavior, guns, ammunition, lethal drugs. But that doesn't bother Republican candidate and former prosecutor Seth Hyman.
I'm a yes vote.
You're a yes vote?
Yeah.
He says he's voting for Amendment 3 so law enforcement can focus on more serious drug crimes.
I just really think that we need to focus on this fentanyl issue because it's a disaster.
60% of voters must say yes to recreational marijuana for the measure to pass. Greg Fox, West 2 News.
West 2 News reached out to the other Republican in this race, Thomas Fighter. Now, when we hear back, we will update our report.